Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You want to remove the sticker now, so start by heating the adhesive. This softens the glue and prevents tearing. Aim the hair dryer or heat gun from 6-8 inches away and move steadily. Do this for about 10 seconds per spot, then check. Once the glue softens, slide a plastic card under an edge to create a small gap. You're doing this to separate label layers, so make sure you don't gouge the surface as you pry. You should peel slowly and with consistent force. A steady 45 degrees angle keeps the backing intact and reduces adhesive left behind. If the label tears, reheat the torn area briefly, then continue peeling from a solid corner. This reconnects adhesive fibers. Once most of the label is off, examine the surface. Small sticky spots can be wiped with rubbing alcohol or an adhesive remover on a microfiber cloth. Make sure to test any solvent in an inconspicuous area first, because materials react differently. You're almost done. Remove remaining residue by applying rubbing alcohol or a commercial adhesive remover and letting it sit for 30-60 seconds so the solvent penetrates. Then wipe in one direction with a clean microfiber cloth until the surface feels smooth. After cleaning, wash the area with mild soap and water to remove solvent films and dry thoroughly. If residue persists, repeat the wet solvent step and use a plastic scraper gently. Troubleshooting tip: if the surface dulls, stop and test a milder solvent on an unseen spot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.